37 degrees this morning. We now resume our regular 22-23 winter pattern of just warm and not boring. Buckle up, Rex. This is going to be a bumpy week. But not right now. I don't have to worry about wind today. That's so nice. There's wind up in the sky last night. It was gusting over 100 miles an hour up there. There was a nice big ring around the moon. Ring around the sun or moon. Snow or rain soon. Not really in this case, though. Not here. So the ice is almost melted. There was so much ice, though, in Cape Cod Bay that it really piled up there in Rock Harbor. Thank you, Darius, for always being on the scene and sharing your videos every morning. Very popular. We appreciate it. Orleans, the ice is melting. We're in a thaw again. A pretty good pile of ice there at Fort Point, too, on that rock. Where 2 days ago, I couldn't even sit outside or stand outside for a minute. It was so cold. Nice, tranquil Monday. You remember Monday, February 6th, 1978? I certainly do. 9th grade at Dennis Yarmouth High School. We went to school. We're on the buses, and then at about this time, 8 to 9 o'clock, there were a few snowflakes. And then between 9 and 10 o'clock, we had 4 inches of snow in an hour. At DY, you could go to the science class out to the other wing through the outdoors. And when I came back after science class, I couldn't believe there were 3 inches of snow on the ground. We got on the school buses and came home. And then snow turned into rain on Cape Cod. It was an occluded front. The sun came out. We were 50 even as there was a blizzard happening just over the bridge. Anyhow, everyone's told that story plenty of times. What's our weather story? Well, first of all, we have Bombogenesis happening again today. 3 days ago, we had Bombogenesis to our north. Now we have Bombogenesis to our south. That is a serious low-pressure system, deepening now even further than what they expected yesterday, developing hurricane force, and that's going to generate a 10-meter swell very close to Bermuda. Where I look at the Bermuda forecast, they don't even give wind speeds. They say storm force wind. Anyhow, the cloud in our sky right now is the northern edge. You see how there's blue sky there north of Boston? This cloud is the northern edge of that massive ocean storm developing now. So a lot like 1978, just 50 miles, 500 miles rather, to the south. And we don't really have a strong high pressure system in Canada. That high pressure system in 1978 was a 1053. Watch out when high pressure is to your north. Anyhow, high pressure, that's going to be the dilemma of the next several days going forward. Are we going to have stronger high pressure to our north or to our south? Makes a huge difference. Well, today, after this cold front goes by, we have high pressure building to the north. So tomorrow, in Boston, we may not even make 32 degrees. Where did that come from? And there's another front coming through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, with snow squalls. But then after that, high pressure is going to build to our west and south, and we rebound Wednesday back into the 40s in Boston. And then on Thursday, this is the beginning of a really tough stretch of weather and weather forecasting. Thursday, there's a warm front generating heavy snow in northern New England. The high pressure to the north is fairly strong. The high pressure to the south is fairly strong, and ultimately, by Friday, high pressure to the south wins, and we are warm, probably close to record warm. I'm not sure what the records are on Friday. In southern New England, as a low that was so strong into the Great Lakes weakens and goes to our north, and then real subtle, Friday night and Saturday, cold front's going to be settling south. Upper level energy left behind. Look at the 500 millibar flow forecast for Saturday from the Euro. Wow. That front is going to ease to the south coast with more low pressure developing here Saturday into Sunday. Every time we've shown the Super Bowl Sunday weather map, it has looked different. This Euro now for Sunday looks pretty reasonable. I look at all the other guidance. The Canadian is off to the south. The GFS is a little warmer. You know, you try and look for consistency. You look at all the guidance. Which one makes the most sense? High pressure gradually building into southeastern Canada Saturday into Sunday may generate a rain-snow situation Saturday into Sunday. That rain-snow line going all the way to the south coast. The guidance is a little quicker now. Says it's going to happen more Saturday than Sunday. But all bets are off. We're just back to that winter pattern where we're going to have to watch. Why is the hair up on your back, T-Rex? Because the critter's down there. He smells them. We're going to really have to watch our backs because, yeah, that flagpole's got to go up eventually. If I could stop chasing weather. The weather is just so interesting and so fascinating. Oh, yes, there was a request yesterday. A bunch of guys, friends, going to Vail, Colorado, where it does look snowy, but it's a really up and down pattern. But it's been a great winter in Vail. You guys are going to have a blast. You guys are the guys. I got to actually play pond hockey yesterday. Well, actually, it was not a pond. It was a water hole at the Weather Vane Golf Course in Weymouth. Really fun. Yeah, a bunch of people. Now, these guys played high school hockey, and I think maybe even college hockey, and I was chasing them around yesterday. As the ice started cooking, we had to call it at about 11 o'clock. It was almost, there was waves in the ice, and it would have been starting to break through. Did anyone fall in the ice yesterday, fall through the ice? Hope no one got hurt, but yeah, that was the cold air retreating just about as fast as it came in. All right, thank you guys. Great day yesterday. More highlights from our little golf course, hockey. And I don't think we're going to be playing hockey outdoors anymore this winter because it's just a warm looking pattern, but warm and snowy winter 22-23 is going to continue. Good job, Rex. Colin and Audible on where to go skating at the golf course. Of course, I see people out there skating on the golf course. Where'd you come from? Even a little leftover pile of snow. We've had about 3 inches this entire winter. Weather vane. Name. Why wouldn't the weatherman go skating at the weather vane? We got tunes, we got blue sky, it's not frigid. We got Danny Hamilton's hockey stick and Ultratex. Can't believe it. Oh, it's a little bit down there. Starting to melt. Make the best of it. Skating. Okay, that's enough. Going back to the mountain. Going skiing now. Do they sharpen skates here at the Weather Vane Golf Shop? Pro Shop?
They should.
Getting a little soft. Kind of hear the ice starting to cook a little bit. Coming on 11 o'clock. Sunday, February 5th. Day after the extreme cold, extreme warm. But one session. Oh, we got to hit the middle post to get it to count as a goal. Okay. Seriously, for it to count, you gotta hit the middle post. He's in with a breakaway. Oh, he just misses the middle post. There's no goalie. You gotta make it a little more challenging. Don't go down the ice by yourself. Need the wave. Maybe 4 people right next to each other, that might add. There's waves. Is the ice supposed to have waves? Yeah, we had 24 hours of winter this season. It's insane. We made the most of it. Oh, well, I guess we're going to call it.
2 layers is just like one. I think so. Yeah, I think there's 2 layers.
I don't know if it's coming out in the video, but the post is going down at least an inch. Looks like he could go right in if he jumped. If someone jumped right there, they could go right through. Oh well, it's already about 45 degrees. What's that? 55 degrees warmer than sunrise yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Easy come, easy go. Anyone bring golf clubs? Let's go right on to the 8th tee. Or the weather vane. I think they got Bloody Marys over there. Can you feel it? Could you feel the wave when you were skating on it? So we've determined that this half, north of the white line, is a little safer. Yeah. So got a half a rink going now. It's the Braintree, Hanover Wing hockey team from 1999 maybe? 2010. Francis. Just past 11 a.m. the day after the extreme cold. February sun is a lot stronger than January sun. It's already back up to about 45, and our time is just about done here. Pond hockey season lasted all of about 18 hours. We're not gonna get more ice after this. Glad I got out though. Really fun bunch of guys here. Okay, we made it just past 11 o'clock. No one went through. There's still a chance though. What happens if you jump? Oh, thank you guys. Youngsters. It's always fun skating with people half your age to see what kind of lungs and legs you got left. Thanks for having me over, man. That was fun.
You got better lungs than I do.
Come on. There they are. Oh yeah. So now we should really play 9 holes this afternoon, don't you think? Anybody know the owners?
Nope.
The flags are in there. Oh, they are? Cool. Weather vane. Sunday, February 5th. 45 years ago today, I don't know if any of you guys were alive, it was a Sunday. There was a storm over Washington, D.C. that came north, and we had 40 inches of snow on the 6th and the 7th in 1978.
Yes. Was there 78? I was alive. Did you guys walk up to school, the hill, both ways?
We did. We were out of school. I think we were out of school for 3 weeks, weren't we?
It rained in Dennis. I was crying. It's one of the reasons I became a weatherman. Figure out why weather is unpredictable. What's that white balloon up there?
I like it because they give you balls.
That's a gear bag.
Decent. They don't do cans. Decent like it go to Arizona.
My gear's like 40 years old. Still works. Okay, golf season now. Hockey season lasted
Get out the 9
one day.
20 minutes.
Oh man, I got my own guy.
Stick boy.
Thanks. Now, we're waiting. Smelt brook. Let's look for some smelt. Had no idea. That smelt brook comes out right here into the. I think this is the very far inland part of the Fore River. Braintree Yacht Club.